Hi Rahan, how are you?
Hi Ashish. How are you?
All good here. How's everything going over there?
Yeah, good. Everything is good. And what's about you? How is the
It's
family?
everything great, everything great. So
Yeah.
Rahan, I wanted to ask you a question regarding Zoho Creator actually, since
Mhm.
you are one of the product expert in Zoho Creator. The question I would like to ask is that how Zoho Creator enables, rapid application development in this sense, becoming a, low code, no code platform rather than a traditional development. What is the difference? How it enables that rapid expansion?
Yeah. Thank you so much, Ashish. First of all, yeah, of course, in today's business environment, its speed is no longer a luxurious. It is a necessity. So market is nowadays changing very fast. Customer expectations are nowadays changing fast. Internal process are also, is changing fast. But the traditional application development is still slow. Okay. So by the time when the app is ready, the business requirement are, already involved. Okay, so the real challenge is not building a software. The real challenge is building software fast enough to stay relevant. Okay, this is actually exactly where Zoho Create makes the difference. The problem with the traditional development, okay, let's suppose take example. Let's look at why traditional development takes times. Okay, first, requirements are documented in detail. The designs are created. Then the front end and back end are developed separately. The testing cycles begin. Then we have some deployment process needs to be done. So there is each steps depend on the previous one. Okay. So any changes means going back to the beginning. This linear process makes development slow. Even small application take months, an year, and during this time, business teams are forced to wait. So speed becomes the biggest bottleneck over here. Okay. So what I always suggest what the development approach we should take when we are going with the Zoho Creator. Zoho Creator follows a completely different model. Okay, it uses visuals, component-based development approach, forms, workflows, automations, reports are already available as a building blocks. Okay, instead of writing code from the scratch, you just need to assemble the functionality in the creator. Business logic is added through the simple configurations and lightweight scripting only when required. Okay, so this eliminates repeated development tasks and dramatically reduce the building time. Okay, so what uses to take a month can now be done in a week or even days. Okay. So, and one more point I need to highlight over here, when it comes to the faster collaborations in terms of business and IT standards, so I would like to mention one point here also. Another major reason Zoho Creator enables rapid development is better collaboration. So in traditional development, business team explains requirements, developer interpret them, and the gaps appear over there in terms of miscommunication in the business and the development. So where when the Zoho Creator is in the picture, user can see the working prototypes earlier because all the predefined modules are already been there. Okay, so we can take the feedback from the client. Okay, and we can make the changes on the top of that. Okay, so there is a no long feedback loop. Okay, from the client side. No, this the real time collaboration reduce misunderstandings and speed ups your delivery. Okay, so sometimes people used to ask me this kind of questions also. What is about the once you deployed the application, once the application is ready? So what about when you are going to ask the continuous improvement? Like how you are taking the continuous improvement and you are taking the quick iteration actions against that improvement. So over there also, I need to highlight one point. Rapid development is not just about the first release. First of all, okay, it's about how fast you can improve after launch. Okay, with Zoho Creator application are easy to modify and easy to track the issues into the system. Okay, why new fields can be added easily, workflows can be updated, reports can be changed as per your requirement, and all without rewriting the entire applications. Okay, just you with the help of the drag and drops. All without writing the entire application. This allow business to release fast, learn from the users, and improve continuously. Speed becomes an ongoing advantage, not a one-time benefit, of course. So, and here also I come up with some of the questions, is ready to deploy or it's a scalable from day one. So, this types of questions I usually received. Okay. So there is only straightforward answer for that. There is no deployment process, first of all, in the Zoho Creator application. This is totally a cloud ready. Okay, so from starting day one, when you're starting doing the things on the creator, you are live on the cloud. Okay, so basically you don't have to do any server setup, no deployments delays, no environment configurations. So application are already instantly available to user across the location. Okay, as the moment the users grows, the platform scales automatically, and this is the very good feature of the Zoho Creator environment actually. So this means rapid development does not come at the cost of stability or performance. You get speed and scalability together based on your uses. And I need to highlight one thing here. Like I met with my one of my friend. He's asking that the real business impact of rapid development when question came over there, how the real business actually impact the rapid development. So over there also, I frankly I told him like that when apps are built faster, business impact faster. Of course, you know the moment you get the requirement, you are building the things in that process in that way, and you are completing that one. So what will happen? Manual processes are automated sooner, errors are reduced earlier, productivity improves quickly. Teams stop waiting for system and start using them. Okay, so Zoho Creator turns application development into a business accelerator when you are going with Zoho Creator. Okay. And one thing more, like closing, speed as a competitive advantage. Yeah, of course, Zoho Creator enables rapid development by simplifying how apps are built, how teams collaborate, and how changes are implemented based on the versions. It improves unnecessary complexity without compromising on the capability. This is a very good thing you have to understand, because you are not doing any type of compromisation. Okay. In today's world, everyone needs the things, in the faster way. So because all the companies want to win faster. So Zoho Creator helps building, business very faster, adapt faster, and move faster. Okay. So if you want anything else from my side, Mr. Ashish?
No, that was really clear, Rahman. That was really clear, and I hope my listeners would also understand the points which you have made, and they
Yeah.
will really understand. And I can come back to you anytime if any need more
Yeah,
help.
yeah, sure, sure. I'm always okay, Ashish.
Thank you, Rahman.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time.